If you haven't heard by now, President Trump announced Wednesday that he is ordering a suspension of travel to the United States from Europe for a period of 30 days in an effort to stem the spread of coronavirus. President Trump said to keep new cases from entering our shores, we will be suspending all travel from Europe to the United States for the next 30 days. The new rules will go into effect Friday night at midnight. And shortly after President Trump began his address to the nation, the market started to roil. Dow futures are down over 1,000 points, while Japan's Nikkei 225 is down over 350 points. Recently, the Federal Reserve has been trying to get ahead of possible funding disruptions caused by the coronavirus by ramping up cash injections in the coming weeks to as much as $505 billion in a bid to keep short term financing markets functioning smoothly through the quarter end. The central bank's New York branch said Wednesday that it would conduct additional repurchase agreements that could take its support for the crucial corner of the financial markets beyond the total of $490 billion it offered over year end. The Fed is trying to avert a repeat of September when short term borrowing costs spiked with imbalances in the supply and demand for cash. The Fed announcement covers operations starting Thursday. The markets were also concerned today when the World Health Organization finally called the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic. And trying to play catch up on Monday, the New York Fed increased the size of this week's repo offerings to $150 billion for the overnight action and $45 billion for the term as financial markets upended. So, the Fed now plans to offer 14-day term repo operations twice a week through April 9th of at least $45 billion. It will also conduct three 1 month actions of at least $50 billion beginning Thursday. The bank also boosted its overnight offering to $175 billion daily through April 13th. Well, folks, will it be enough? We shall see. And for today, that's ChewDog Charts. Thank you.